Just a quick teardown video of the ViVO LTD Bluetooth speaker model. It's not a number, but it's model ViVO Play. It has input of 5 volts, some 100 milliamps, made in China, whatever. It has battery, a removable battery, which is kind of interesting. It seems to be a standard Nokia battery, but wrapped in white for some reason. Let me just show you. These little notches here, these are exactly the Nokia form factor. Probably it has some minor differences, but yeah, it's mostly that of an old Nokia design. Works well in this, so no problem. Let's remove the screws. So I cheated, I already know what's inside, but I put it back together because I didn't have time to make a video. So now I have to just tear it down again, disassemble it. Yeah, come on. I know there's a screw in there. Don't screw with me. Okay. So, let's crack it open. Oh, this part comes out. Okay. That's all of the screws. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. And yeah. So here on the other side we have some indicator lights and buttons, which only work with Bluetooth mode. In direct 3.5 millimeter input, auxiliary input, with this one you don't get any controls here. It just goes directly, maximum loudness, maximum volume, and good luck with that. So inside, I didn't move anything really, but when I just removed this, like pulled it slightly, the speakers just came a bit loose. They are glued in with some shoe glue, a flexible glue, and they move. I don't know why. So these plastic things are holding them slightly. And yeah, what I want to show you, well, yeah, let's zoom in on this first. Because I think this is a standard Bluetooth module, ISSC, blah blah blah, and somebody put a marker on that. Why is there? Huh, that's interesting. Anyways, this is a standard part that is soldered to the main board, and yeah, all sorts of soldering marks. They didn't clean it. That's typical for Chinese companies. So this is the Bluetooth. Oh, there's the model. I'm blind. So FH-IS 1685-V2. And there's the antenna. This is the chip. Quartz. This is not put in straight. It's a choke, I think. I mean, yeah, an inductor, coil, whatever you call it. And yeah, not all the legs are connected, just some of them. Okay, so what I really wanted to show you is this thing in the front. Oh, can I get the grill off? No, it's glued. Anyways, there's a rubber membrane here, which which is probably engineered for bass reflex or something. So when the speakers move back, this moves to the front. But yeah, these tiny little speakers, let me just, oh, I don't have to pull this off. I put the rubber back. So these are, wait, let's zoom out. These are only 3 watts. So 6 watts total, and they don't have bass. Come on. So, yeah. Maybe I'll try to replace these because I have better speakers, like this one, for example. Also 3 watts, but it has a large magnet, and I tested it, it's more powerful than these. So, yeah, maybe I can correct this design with better speakers because this was on sale and it doesn't work as it should. So it was half off. So yeah, maybe the speakers aren't appropriate for this. Let me just see. Well, it's kind of the same thing, almost the same from the front. Oh, it's slightly smaller, but yeah, this should be fine. Yeah, maybe I'll try it with some different electronics. But for now, I wanted to show you this because I never saw this membrane in any other design. This is kind of ingenious for good quality speakers. If you have good speakers, this may be a good idea. What I saw on other Bluetooth speakers is that the speaker wasn't mounted on the chassis of the speaker. It had a rubber membrane outside. So it has the rubber membrane of the speaker, which moves, and also on the outside. So when it could move back and forth, the speaker could move back and forth, probably for the bass. And yeah, that has kind of nice sound. But yeah, with these small speakers, temper your expectations. So yeah, that's what I wanted to show you with this. And I hope you learned something and get some nice ideas. Oh, the price was $5. I got this for $5, including the new battery. And yeah, it's a Bluetooth thing. And it works with the audio cable, which was included, charger cable was included, and the battery. And yeah, kind of nice.